In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Java extensions in Cursor for a complete development environment. By the end, you'll have all the essential Java tooling installed in Cursor so you can write, run, and debug Java code confidently. We'll keep things simple and focus on what matters. Opening the extensions panel, finding the right Java tools, installing the recommended pack, and restarting Cursor so everything loads correctly. Start by opening the extensions panel in Cursor. You can click the extensions icon on the sidebar. It looks like a square with a small square overlay, or use a quick keyboard shortcut. On Windows or Linux, press Ctrl plus Shift plus X. On macOS, press Command plus Shift plus X. If the shortcut doesn't seem to work, make sure Cursor is the active window, then try again. The extensions view is where you can search for, install, and manage everything you need to enhance your editor. Once the panel is open, go to the search bar at the top and type the word Java. This will filter the marketplace to show Java-related tools. You'll likely see several results, but focus on the one called Extension Pack for Java. It's published by Microsoft and bundles a set of high-quality extensions that work well together. If your internet connection is slow, give it a moment to load all the results. Click into the Extension Pack for Java to see what's included. This pack brings together several key tools. Language support for Java by Red Hat, which powers features like code completion, linting, and refactoring. Debugger for Java, which lets you set breakpoints, step through code, and inspect variables. And Maven for Java, a great helper for managing dependencies and building projects. Installing the pack ensures you get a cohesive setup without having to chase each component individually. Go ahead and click Install. Cursor will handle the rest and pull in all the bundled extensions automatically. After installation completes, it's important to restart Cursor. This ensures the extensions initialize correctly and that any environment variables those tools rely on are picked up. Sometimes you'll see a reload or restart prompt right inside the editor. If you do, click it. If not, simply close Cursor and reopen it. When it comes back up, your Java environment should be ready to go with language features, debugging, and build support in place. That's it. You opened the extensions panel, searched for Java, installed the extension pack for Java by Microsoft, and restarted Cursor to finalize the setup. You're now prepared to start working productively with Java in Cursor.